How to create tabs in a Confluence page. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tabs in a Confluence page using the Content Formatting Toolkit. Let's get started. First, head over to your Confluence page and open the page where you want to add the tabs. Click Edit at the top right to enter the editor. Now, type /tab group in the editor. You will see an option to insert a tab group. This is the container that will hold all your individual tabs. Select it, and then choose your layout. You can pick horizontal or vertical tabs. Next, you can customize the tab style and colors. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save to add the tab group to your page. Now, it's time to add your first tab. Place your cursor inside the tab group and type /tab pane. This will let you insert an individual tab. Give your tab a title, then click Save. You will now see the content box for that tab. Add whatever you want inside. To add more tabs, just repeat the steps. Once you've added all your tabs and content, click Update at the top to publish your page. And that's it. You have successfully added tabs to your Confluence page. Tabs are a great way to organize long content, compare information side by side, or guide users through a step-by-step process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.